Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stop Instagram from recommending your account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. And now let's start our tutorial. So first, you will be needed to open your Instagram app, and from there, we will want to go to setting. And to go to the setting, you will need just to click on your profile picture, and from there you will be able to see your profile, and it will take you to your main grid or your main page, etc. Now we want to go to these three horizontal lines so we can access the settings and activity. So from here you will have many sections. You will have how you use Instagram, and depending on the type of your account you can find this professional section for professional accounts, and here you will find who can see your content and how others can interact with you. So simply, either you want to have your account that is private, or you can simply go to how others can interact with you, and you will find these interactions. So from here you can start limiting your interactions, and here you can see what are the limited interactions from people who are bothering you. So you will temporarily limit people's ability to interact with you through messages, comments, tagging, etc. And that would automatically make you also like the suggestions. So after that, you can either turn on the limited interaction, you can also go through tags and dimension, or you can restrict anything. So from here, you can also have some restriction that will be added into your account, so you can have a full control on your account, and that would affect also suggestions. And by that, you have solved your problem. So thank you for watching and see you next time.